This subwoofer hits like a freight train? Klipsch RP-1000SW review. Bass lovers, you're not ready. Ever feel like your bass just doesn't slap hard enough? You know the moment. You fire up your favorite action movie or drop the needle on a bass-heavy track, and instead of floor-shaking rumbles, you get a weak puff of meh. Your current sub wheezes through explosions, sounds like a wet sponge during drum kicks, and struggles to keep up with the beat. It's frustrating. You've spent hours dialing in your system, chasing that perfect low end, only to feel underwhelmed and slightly betrayed. If your movies sound flat and your music lacks soul, you might not need new content, just better hardware that finally delivers that cinematic punch you've been missing. And then the frustration snowballs. You keep cranking the volume, praying the bass gods will answer, but all you get is distortion and boomy garbage that makes your walls rattle more than your chest. Missed audio cues in games, emotionless movie moments, and soundtracks that fall flat. The worst part? You know what great bass sounds like, clean, tight, earth-shaking, but your setup just can't deliver. You're tired of tweaking EQs, moving furniture, and convincing yourself it's not that bad. Let's be real. It is that bad. And every day you put up with it, you're missing the true experience your sound system could, and should, deliver. Enter the heavyweight champ. Klipsch RP-1000SW 10-inch high Excursion subwoofer. This isn't just a subwoofer, it's a home theater revolution in a beautifully brutal box. With a Cerametallic driver designed from the ground up and powered by a beastly 300-watt RMS, 600-watt peak. Class D amp, the RP-1000SW drops down to 19 Hz with clean, deep, goosebump-inducing authority. We're talking cinematic explosions that ripple through your couch, kick drums you feel in your gut, and audio precision that makes every note hit with surgical impact. Klipsch didn't just build another sub, they engineered a bass monster that flexes hard in medium-sized rooms and makes your old gear feel like a toy. So what's in it for you? Immediate gratification. Simplified setup with RCA/LFE inputs, easy controls, and room-friendly placement thanks to the front firing port. The aerofoil front slot port minimizes noise and keeps your low end crisp, even when cranked. Its refined ebony vinyl cabinet isn't just eye candy, it's tough as nails, with a premium aesthetic to match your high-performance gear. Add Klipsch's shock-absorbing feet, built-in crossover control, and wireless capability, with WA2 kit, and you're locked, loaded, and dialed into your dream system. Ready to make your room feel the music? Stick around, this review has all the feels. Act now, or keep suffering through subpar bass. Thousands of bassheads, audiophiles, and movie maniacs have already made the switch, and the verdict is loud and clear. The RP-1000SW slaps. With limited inventory, and a 5-year warranty to boot, this sub isn't just a want, it's a need. Don't settle for half-baked lows or make excuses for lifeless audio. You deserve thunder. You deserve clarity. You deserve Klipsch. So stop waiting, stop wondering, and hit that link before this beast is gone. Your ears, and your neighbors, will never forget it. Go feel the difference. Go full Klipsch.